Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of exercise 11.2 from Chapter 11, Three-Dimensional Geometry, in the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 2. Exercise 11.2 has 15 questions on lines in space, perpendicular and parallel checks, vector and Cartesian equations, angles between lines, and the shortest distance between skew lines. Here is the list. Question 1 of exercise 11.2. Three-direction cosine triples. Each pairwise dot of cosines must vanish. Lines 1 and 2. 48 minus 36 minus 12 over 169 is 0. Lines 2 and 3. 12 minus 48 plus 36 over 169, again 0. And lines 1 and 3. 36 plus 12 minus 48 over 169 is 0. All three pairs perpendicular. Question 2. Two lines given by point pairs. Direction ratios first, then their dot. The first line has ratios 2, 5, minus 4. The second has 3, 2, 4. The dot is 6 plus 10 minus 16, which is 0, perpendicular. Question 3. Parallel this time. Proportional direction, ratios prove it. The ratios are minus 2, minus 4 and 2, 4, 4. One is minus 1 times the other, so the lines are parallel. Question 4. Point plus direction, the vector equation. R equals a plus lambda b. With A as the position vector of the point and b the given vector, the line is a plus lambda b. Question 5. Both forms asked. Vector form first, then unpack coordinates. The vector form is the point plus lambda times the direction. In Cartesian form, x minus 2 over 1 equals y, plus 1 over 2 equals z minus 4 over minus 1. Question 6. Borrow the direction from the given line. Same denominators, new point. The given line has direction ratios 3, 5, 6, so through our point the equation keeps those denominators. Question 7. Cartesian to vector. Read off the point and the ratios. The line passes through 5, minus 4, 6 with direction ratios 3, 7, 2, so r is that point plus lambda times the direction. Question 8. Angles between vector form pairs. Part 1, directions 3, 2, 6 and 1, 2, 2. Part 2, directions 1, minus 2 and 3, minus 5, minus 4. Part 1, the dot is 3 plus 4 plus 12, 19. The magnitudes are 7 and 3. Part 2, the dot is 3 plus 5 plus 8, 16. The magnitudes are root 6 and 5 root 2, so cosine theta is 8 root 3 over 15. Question 9. Cartesian pairs now. Part 1, ratios 2, 5, minus 3 against minus 1, 8, 4. Part 2, ratios 2, 2, 1 against 4, 1, 8. Part 1, the dot is minus 2 plus 40 minus 12, 26. Magnitudes root 38 and 9. Part 2, the dot is 8 plus 2 plus 8, 18. Magnitudes 3 and 9, so cosine theta is 2/3. Question 10. First rewrite in standard form, then force the dot of the ratios to vanish. Standardizing the signs and coefficients, the direction ratios are minus 3, 2p over 7, 2 and minus 3p over 7, 1, minus 5. The dot, 9p over 7 plus 2p over 7 minus 10 equals 0, so 11p equals 70 and p is 70 over 11. Question 11. A quick perpendicularity check. Dot the denominators. 7 times 1 plus minus 5 times 2 plus 1 times 3 is 7 minus 10 plus 3, which is 0. Perpendicular. Question 12. Skew lines the cross product formula. B1 cross B2, then dot with the gap between the points. The cross of 1, minus 1, 1 and 2, 1, 2 is minus 3I hat plus 3K hat, magnitude 3 root 2. A2 minus A1 is 1, minus 3, minus 2. Its dot with the cross is minus 3 minus 6, minus 9. Modulus over 3 root 2, 3 root 2 over 2. Question 13. Cartesian skew lines. Same recipe, cross gap quotient. The cross of 7, minus 6, 1 and 1 minus 2, 1 is minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, magnitude 2 root 29. The gap 4, 6, 8 dotted with the cross gives minus 116. Modulus over 2 root 29 is 2 root 29. Question 14. Another skew pair. Cross of the directions carries the day. The cross of 1, minus 3, 2 and 2, 3. 1 is minus 9, 3, 9, magnitude 3 root 19. The gap 3, 3, 3 dotted with the cross is minus 27 plus 9 plus 27, 9. So D is 9 over 3 root 19, 3 over root 19. Question 15, the last of exercise 11.2. Parametric disguise. Split each into point plus parameter times direction first, collecting T and S. The first line is the point 1, minus 2, 3 with direction minus 1, 1, minus 2. The second is 1, minus 1, minus 1 with direction 1, 2, minus 2. The cross is 2, minus 4, minus 3 with magnitude root 29. The gap 0, 1, minus 4 dots to 8. The shortest distance is 8 over root 29. That completes exercise 11.2. In the next video, we take on the miscellaneous exercise of Chapter 11. Thank you for watching. If this helped, do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your classmates.